Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore an ignored message on Facebook Messenger or how to unignore message in Messenger. First, let's go into the Messenger app and let me quickly ignore this message right here. You'll simply tap on the person's name. And from here, you'll scroll down a bit and you'll tap on Ignore Messages. After you have tapped on Ignore Message, now to find that message that you have ignored, you will simply tap on your profile pic in the top left-hand corner. Then you want to select Message Requests. From here, you're going to tap on Spam and you will see the person that you had ignored earlier. And you'll simply tap on it, and once you have sent them a message, they will come out of the ignored section, so you can simply send them a message. And now if you go back to your chats, you will realize that the person is there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.